What's going on, everybody? In this haircut tutorial, I'll be using the Andis Phenom combo. So first things first, we're doing a high and tight. I'm going to be using my number 2 guard, the double purple magnetic guards, and I'm going to go ahead and clean up the sides. Then I'm gonna get my trimmers, and then I'm going to set a line, and I'm actually going to keep the hair at the bottom. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about the more and more we get through the video, but I'm doing this so I can see the gradients of the high fade. And I mainly just did this video just to show you guys how well they perform. So I want y'all to see it in real time. Now I do have this video sped up ×2, but majority of everything you're going to see is mainly the whole haircut. Except, you know, me like getting in front of the camera. I took that stuff out, but everything else you're most likely going to see. Now we're using the trimmers right at the point of the C cup. This is where I start the high fade. And I'm just going around keeping that more like the distance between the top into where the line is. I'm trying to keep that all around the head. Now I do dip it just a little bit in the back, but you'll see why I do that. Now I have the Phenom clipper, starting with the blade open. I'm going up about, I'd say about ½ an inch. And then from this, what I like doing is doing the clicks. I like to fade down after that, and I like to go halfway because I was completely open. Now I'm halfway, then I go completely closed to get that bottom line out. Now I have the 1 guard, and I'm basically gonna go up all the way up to the parietal ridge, and we're just gonna fade down from here. Like I said, it's gonna be like a high and tight, so that's why I'm up high with the 1 guard. And this hair texture, just want to make sure that you understand this as well. When you have somebody that has this type of hair texture and it's like curly but a little bit coarse, make sure you use more of a comb than a brush. Well, I think you should always use a comb, but with this hair texture, a comb does an amazing job with it. So make sure that you're always having it in your other hand, and that you're taking your time cutting the hair and then combing it down. So with the 1 guard, I did it completely open, halfway and closed. I always use the highest notch, then I skip a notch, go to the middle notch, then I can do completely closed. And then from the 1 guard, I'm gonna go and use the 0 guard and do the same exact method. All the way open, halfway and close. A dope thing about the Andis Phenoms is that the detailing capabilities that it has, love it. I really do. So that's another reason why I like working with this clipper. It details very well. Now we're going to do the back. Now this is the 1 guard. I have it completely open. And I'm gonna go halfway, then close. Oh, sorry, I did the blade open after the one. I switched it up just a little bit. Every now I do that. I don't know why, but sometimes I do switch it up. But it could have been a gradients thing. I wanted the back to line up with the side. So I could have just did the blade open to help me with that first. Now I'm gonna put the 0 guard and clean up that area. Put the 1 guard back on, and to me, like, there's like a line right there, and I just wanted to blend that just a little bit more. I'm gonna do this side, blade open, then the 1 guard, then the 0 guard. Keep the same method basically. I mean, you can switch it up every now and then, like what I just did to the back, but as long as you know your method, you can tweak it every now and then, however you like to, or however you need to, depending on the hair texture. Now I got the 0 guard. Do the same process. Nothing changes, y'all. That's why having a foundation is really, really key. You need foundation. Do a little bit of detailing. Now I'm gonna get the trimmers and I'm gonna clean this up. Now I'm going to leave a little faint line so I can use my shaver. So you'll see what I'm doing. I don't do this all the time, but I'm really just showing y'all all of what this combo can do. So I just wanted to show you guys a different hair cutting technique that I don't always do all the time. So everything under that line would be the shaver. Now I'm using the Andis Research. Definitely love this shaver. It's one of the best shavers out to me. If you never tried it, it's really at a good price right now. It has that long hair cutter in the middle. So if you have any clients that have sensitive skin, this is definitely a good pickup. Now I done forgot some hair I needed to get with the trimmer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that after I get close to that area. I mean, once I get close to that area. Now I'm cleaning it up with the trimmer, and I really want to show you guys, this is like, see how well the trimmer cleans up in between like the shaver and what I started with. It does a good job. I don't know if I really had these completely zero gap, but they definitely do a good job with the cleaning. I'm gonna pick the hair out, and with the clippers, I'm going to do like some freehanding and just a little bit, just get a bit better shape. And once I did that, I noticed the sides can be like this a little bit lighter, so I got the 1.5 guard. And I cleaned it up just a little bit. This is just me honestly just being picky, so I mean, I think it needed it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Now I'm using the trimmers. I'm gonna use line up the vertical bar, and I'm gonna do the front, and then I'm gonna do the vertical bars, and then I'm gonna do the front area. So now you guys do see that he has like a peak right there. I am gonna be taking that off, and you'll see the results from there. And one of the dope things about this trimmer is that I noticed that the trimmer blade, as much as I have been using it, it has not gotten like hot. I mean, it probably got warm at this time, I believe, but I honestly can say it was still very comfortable for my client, for me to still use on my client. All right, now I'm going to use the razor. I'm going to clean this up. So basically, y'all see how well it can line up. Have no problems with this, with the Phenom combo at all. So this is the cut, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know in the comments. But I just wanted to show y'all how well these things cut. I know I have not done so many videos like this of haircut tutorials of me using the product. So about to get back on my game. Thank y'all for watching. Please let me know what's another combo set that you'd like to see me do in a haircut tutorial. Thank y'all. Y'all be blessed.